Welcome to
Math Problems number 163.
Math Problems number 163. Do you know 163 is a really cool number?
What is it? Is it prime?
I think so. And also, there's a very famous Indian mathematician named Ramanujan who discovered that e to the pi times the square root of 163 is almost an integer.
Cool.
Whoa. E, pi, 163, square roots. Pretty cool, right? Alright, well anyway, we weren't talking about that today, were we?
No.
We were talking about converting decimals to fractions, so we're just going to do an example. 59 over 20.
It's a decimal.
Yeah, write this as a decimal. We're going to do it a couple different ways, so however you want to do it, go ahead.
I would use long division. So we could do 59.0000.
Alright.
And then we could put a 20 here. Then then you could then put 20 goes into 59 two times, so that's 40, and the remainder I think it's 19.
Yeah, that's right.
And then you had decimal point here.
Mm-hmm.
And then you've got to bring down the 0.
Okay.
So
good.
190.
Yeah, how many times does 20 go into 190?
Well, 20 times 5 is 100. 20 times 5 is 100.
Yeah.
So then you can just add on. I think it goes to 14 times, because it goes up to 180.
Yeah, what is 180? How many times does 20 go into 180?
Oh, I think it's 9 times.
9 times. There you go.
So 9, and then it's 180, 10, 100, and then this goes in 5 times 100, 0.
Okay, awesome. So we got way one was long division, and that got us 2.95. Can you think of a different way to do it?
Well, if we could actually do the division out. That would be way one.
Right, that would be way one. We're looking for just a little bit different way to do it. How could we do 59 over 20 a little bit differently?
We could. Well, we could. Well, if we could. Well, you could do 5.9 divided by 2.
Oh, how interesting.
You
5.9 divided by 2. Okay. Alright, and that would give us 2.95 as well, but that's sort of similar to long division.
Yeah.
Is there a way where we're not doing division that you can think of?
Well, we could multiply in some way.
Okay, how could we multiply?
Well, if we set this up as long division, we could multiply by 1. It's 59 divided by 20, and then we could do 59 times 1 over 20.
Okay, and how does that help us?
Well, you're multiplying now.
Yeah, we are multiplying, but do we know what 1/20th is as a decimal?
It's 0.05.
Ah, okay, so this is 59 times 0.05. Alright, so that's going to be 0.05 times 59. So what is 9 times 0.05?
9 times is 0.45.
And now 50 times 0.05.
Well, multiply by 10 first, and then multiply by 5, so
right, so it's 5 times 0.5, which is?
Is 2.5. That's 2.95.
59 times 120. Okay. And then here's one other kind of neat way. What's 60 over 20?
60 over 20 is 3. And 59 is pretty close to that.
Yeah, so how much do we have to subtract?
0.05.
Right, so 59 over 20 equals 3 minus 1/20th,
Which is 0.05.
which is?
Which is 2.95.
There you go. So there's 3 different ways of doing it. Or actually 4 different ways of doing it.
Cool.
Good job this morning, huh? Really good job.